Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can refine your recordings inside, or your scans I should say, inside of Voices of the Void, from when you're scanning signals on this console over here, so that you can make more money and progress inside of Voices of the Void. So the first thing you're going to need to do is actually get this particular console repaired by unquote reinstalling the module as listed in the sticky note down here on the actual console. So to do that, you have to go back into modules. I think it was in modules. Oh, it's not. So it's back over here in upgrades. Down at the bottom, every level here for processing level, you can refine your recorded signals from level 1 to level 3. They start out at level 0. And then once you upgrade this, the scientists back home will start to demand that you send them a recording of that level. So just keep in mind that I prefer to do these upgrades in the evening after I've turned in my signals for the day to the scientists, so that I'm not caught with them demanding it before I have it ready. Now, once you've got these upgraded, you can also go over to the module section and you can get automatic signal processing. So what that means is when you're putting in a signal, all you gotta do is grab the signal from over here and plunk it into this machine, unload it from the tape so it's in the machine, and then you can set it so that you only do one at a time, you'll go to 2 at a time, or all 3 at one time. So by default, you'd have to come over here and you'd have to run this manually 3 times to get it to level 3. But if you have it set to automatic, you can set this and it'll automatically refine up to level 3 for you while you're out and about doing other tasks. And that's all what Voices of the Void tends to come down to, is managing your time so you don't get overwhelmed with stuff and forget something. It's easier if it just does it for you in the background, so I definitely recommend that upgrade. These refinements will take longer or shorter depending on how big the file is. In this case, this file size is 0.7, so it'll go fairly quickly, and I'll be able to demo for you relatively short order what this looks like once you've refined it, and then you stick it back in this listening machine to see what it is. Alright, so now that I've had a little nap, the signal processing is done, so I can export it back to this drive. Now I can put this in my drive box for whenever the scientist requests a level 3, or I can plug it back in this machine, load it again, and then play it to see what it sounds like once all of the background noise has been removed. And it sounds kind of nifty. It's a little wibbly wobbly. And this is actually kind of based off of, as far as I'm aware, what actual space sounds are like. So it's kind of cool to see that inside of this game. And then once you're done, you can just either leave it in a pile somewhere, put it in a box, or if you have a drive rack, slap it in the drive rack. And then you're good to go. You can continue to download more signals, refine them, and have them ready for the scientists back home. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's been how you refine signals to level 1 through 3. And, I mean, you might as well just skip right to level 3. It doesn't take too much longer, especially if you save up some money. And it makes you a lot more money overall than just turning in signals of level 0 to level 2. So, bye everybody, and have a good one.